Steve! Arouse! They're douchey!
Yes, now we can play with them!
Don't worry, Cheep Cheep. You go get more seed. I'll cuddle the others in holla in no time. I'm an expert baby chick cuddler, you know.
Mashiv, Slona Horte.
I thought you never cuddled a baby chick before. I haven't, but I just know I'm going to be a natural chick cuddler. Shh, say a holla.
Huh? How much birdseed do small chicks eat?
Aww.
Diagwitch, I'm Amir. Huh?
Come back here! This one is definitely Dusha.
Hey, that tickles.
These chicks don't look tired to me.
Don't worry. I can speak baby chick. I can help them pull a holla. Chip, 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 chip! Oh, no. Now she's douchey hair.
I don't think it worked, Kawan.
Oh, no. She's douchey hair Arish. This is impossible. When one chick is in a gullah, another one is douchey hair. Shh, little chick. Say a holla.
Where are you going? Hey, come back here.